When I travel, my diet goes out the window and I look for the local donut shop. I found Hendough in Hendersonville, North Carolina. Not just a donut shop, but a place where you can get a meal also. I knew I would love this place when I walked in and seen that the special is a Monte Cristo. And did I mention they make their own donuts?
You guys gonna eat here?
Yeah, this is it, yes. Donuts. Look at that. That one has already got a sample. Monte Cristo. This place is very inviting. With a bright country farm home decor and a friendly staff, it'll make you want to come back. They also have upstairs seating that's easy to miss if you don't take the time to walk around. I love these one-off places that makes their own donuts. I definitely will come back again here soon.